Hey, BRLee, that's me, and welcome back. This is BRLee Life Makeup and Not So Much Fashion. I'm so glad you're here with me today. Today is the last day until my giveaway if I can get to 15 subscribers. So please share the last two videos, this one and the one before. So if I get enough subscribers, 15 or more, then we'll send out a giveaway. Look at the last video to see what will be possibly included. Today I'm jumping on here. I just got my Ipsy Glam Bag. Just opened it. First thing I pull out is a brush by whatever this name is. Extra soft. I love getting new brushes. It's just nice because then I have to wash them less frequently. That might be gross, but so what? Oh, y'all. It is, if you are any type of texture sensitive, this bag is not for you. In my opinion, it is itchy, scratchy, catchy. Whew. Makes me feel like my hangnails are all over my fingertips. Let's first read the card, Home for the Holidays. It's where the heart and fun is. Rock these festive playlists, don a red lip, indulge in what you love, with who you love. It's all about the holidays. It's what the holidays are all about. Okay, so this lists what I got in my bag. The brush is a limited edition powder brush. It's Ipsy exclusive. The retail price is $15.99. The bag, or the product itself, the Ipsy Glam Bag, was $12.95 plus tax, I think, something around there. So, bam, already paid for itself. Yeah, so that's pretty exciting. Let's look and see what else is in here. Let me know if you like my temporary background. It's definitely just some wrapping paper. Okay, the next thing I pulled out of here was a Precision Liquid Liner Felt Tip Eyeliner. I am not going to open this because I already have a felt tip eyeliner pen. I might add this into the giveaway. So, I'm going to set that over there. Not even going to open it. Okay, I also already have one of these. I wonder if it's in the same shade. Natural Medium Brown. I got the exact same thing in something else. Let me see. Well, now I'm not seeing it. So, anyways, we'll most likely also add this in a giveaway. Smudge Proof Twist Up Tip Custom Control Grip. Precisely my brow pencil. It says that wow, this is a deluxe sample, but the full size would cost $24. Awesome. Oh, and I didn't say about the liquid eyeliner. This is full size for $12. Okay, let's see what else. Oh, lipstick. Nope. Peppermint Cream Lip Balm. I'm gonna open that up real quick. Ooh, it smells so good. Clear. Super soft, super festive. Has like, kind of makes me think of Burt's Bees. It has just that like crispness to it. And the last thing, ooh, is the Velvet Voss little eyeshadow. Let's see here what shade this is. Aw, it's so pretty and sparkly. Very nice color pigmentation. Okay, well that's it for this glam bag. And oh, it says the Violet Voss single eyeshadow in Nude Sparks is full size. No, it is a deluxe sample, but the full-size palette would be $18. So I got 3 full-size items. The Precision Liquid Eyeliner was $12, or would have been $12. The brush would have been $15.95, and the Lasting Smiles Peppermint Cream would have been $6. And then I got the deluxe sample of the eyebrow pencil and the Violet Voss eyeshadow. Just wanted to hop on here real quick to show you what I got in the mail today and to remind you about the giveaway. So please share, like, comment on the last 2 videos so that you can be entered in for the giveaway. Good luck and Merry Christmas!